Okay, previous class we started with transformation, source transformation from star to delta or delta to star. So previous derivation வந்து எது வரைக்கும் முடிச்சிருக்கோம்? We ended with delta to star. So R1, R2, R3. Now take out from star to delta. For star to delta, star to delta, it is represented as for delta to star, it is R1, R2, R3. For star to delta, the resistors are R12, 23, R31. Direct so R12 means it is sum of R1 plus R2 plus R1, R2 divided by total resistor R1, R2, R3. Remaining resistor R2. Other resistor R3. So here similarly R23 may become R2, R3 plus R2, R3 divided by other resistor R1. Similarly R3, R1 plus R3 into R1 divided by the other resistor R2. Now break down first problem. Find the equivalent resistance. Find the equivalent resistance of the network given. Find the equivalent resistance of the network given. Using source transformation technique. Using source transformation technique. So, find the equivalent circuit now we can go for series and parallel. Using source transformation nada we have to use either star to delta or delta to star. So, it is in the fashion of here the given problem is connected in delta or star. Star and one end of your resistor we have to consider for star or delta 3 resistors. So, one end of your 3 resistors should be connected to a common point. Now, it is called as star. So, if a resistor, one end is connected to other resistor, similarly the other end is connected to some other resistor, then it is called as delta. So, here in this given circuit, it is in the form of delta. So, we have two delta, 30 ohm, 60 ohm, 90 ohm as a delta connection or 90, 75, 15 as a delta connection. So, we need to convert delta into star fashion. So, I am considering the denominator term, that is this term. So, I am going to convert this delta into star. Delta into star. So, what is the formula for converting delta to star? Delta to star. So, for delta to star, R1 will be equal to R12 R31 divided by R12 plus 23 plus 31. Similar, resistor R2 will be equal to R21 into R23 divided by sum of all the resistors R12, 2, 3, 3, 1. Similarly, resistor R3. R3 is equal to R31 R23 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So first what we have to do? We have to consider these three resistors as R1, R2, R3. So first one, consider 90 ohm resistor R1, R2, R3. Use your formula, solve it. Terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. So the resistor connected between 1 and 2 terminal is taken as R12. The resistor connected between terminal 2 and 3 R23. Here it is connected between 1 and 3, so R13. Now substitute in your formula and find R1, R2, R3. So R12 is 90 ohm resistor, R31 is 75 ohm resistor divided by sum of all the resistor 90 plus 75 plus 15. Write it down. Similarly, for R2, resistor between 2 and 1 is 90 ohm resistor into between 2 and 3 we have taken it as 15 divided by sum of resistor 90 plus 75 plus 15. Similarly, R3. So R3 is resistor 3, 1. It is 75 into 2, 3, 15 divided by sum of resistor 90 plus 75 plus 15. So what is the value for R1, R2, R3? R1 37.5, R2 7.5, R3 value 6.25. Now convert your delta connection into star. Okay, wow. So previous diagram, this is your resistor. Now we have taken it as terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. So this delta is converted to star. Correct? Terminal A, terminal B. So here already we have the resistor is 30 ohm, 60 ohm. So the resistor connected to terminal 1 is R1. So R1 value is 37.5. Resistor connected to terminal 2 is R2. R2 value 7.5. Resistor for terminal 3 is 6.25. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So using circuit pathway, it should be in either in star or delta. அப்படினா நம்மளால கன்வர்ட் பண்ண முடியும். திருப்பி இது எப்படி இருக்கு? டெல்டா இது ஸ்டார். திருப்பி ஸ்டார் பண்ணீங்க இப்படியே மாறிடும். ரெடியூஸ் தி நெட்வொர்க். என்ன பண்ணலாம்? சீரிஸ். So when you have a current flows through a 30 ohm resistor, then towards your 37.5 ohm resistor. So these two are in series. Similarly, when current enters in this junction, it is divided into two current. One current is before, other current will be flowing through a 60 ohm resistor. Same current will be flowing through your some 0.5 ohm resistor. Again we have one more series combination. So redraw this diagram. So terminal A, from here we have two resistors. One is 30 plus 37, 67.5. Here 60 plus 7, 67.5 ohm resistor. So both the ends are connected together. Then we have a 6.25 ohm resistor connected to the terminal B. Next step. So here these two resistors are in parallel. So reduce this network to parallel. So when you have two resistors connected in parallel, formula is AB divided by A plus B. So it is 60. 67.5 into 67.5 divided by 67.5 plus 67.5. So AB divided by A plus B. Huh? One? 135. 33.75 लिया. 67.5 into 67.5 divided by 67.5 plus 67.5. Bracket put 135. Okay, 135 resistor. Upload.
135 plus 6.5.
So your resistor again it is replaced as 135. Already we have a 6.25 ohm resistor connected in series. So these two are in series. So what is R value across AB now? 141.25 unit is ohm. 141.25 unit is ohm. நான் போட்டிருக்கேன் அதனால தான்
இல்லை இப்போதான் தனித்தனியாக போட்டு தான் கரெக்டாக
33.75 பிராக்கெட் போட்டு போடுங்கப்பா.
அது போட்டதுக்கப்புறம்
மேலேயும் பிராக்கெட் கீழேயும் பிராக்கெட் போடுங்க. 33.75. So value is என்னப்பா 40 இல்ல 40 ohm. 40 ohm resistor. 40 ohm resistor. problem. Again, find the equivalent circuit across AB.
டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு தான் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம் இல்லை ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு
நீங்கள் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல.
இந்த சர்க்கியூட் வந்து ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம் பேரலல்.
ஃபஸ்ட்டு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு தான் ரெடக்ஷன். சரியா? Check whether you have the star or the delta connection circuit. See, AB is given. For our reference, we can mark the terminal as C, D, E, F. Now check the circuit whether it is in star or delta. Star up. Ready?
நிறைய
சீரிஸ் கனெக்ஷன் இருக்காங்க டெல்டா
Delta பாப்பா, எது delta?
ECB EC
ஈஸி ஸ்டார்
EC அப்புறம்
ஈஸி ஈஸி
ஆ
ஈஸிஎஃப் டெல்டா
ECF
அது டெல்டா
delta
ஸ்டார் வந்து டி பாயிண்ட் இருப்பாங்க அது ஸ்டார்
E point star.
இல்ல
Correct தான். Always we have to reduce from your back side தான். Front லேருந்து போகக்கூடாது. நீ E வந்து ஸ்டார் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட்னு எடுத்துப்பீங்க. கரெக்டா? If E is a star னா the resistor connected to it is 3 ohm, 1 ohm. Oh, இங்க ஒரு 1 ohm இருக்கு. கரெக்ட். அப்புறம் வேற first என்ன சொன்னேன் last week classல whenever you have a jumper
அது எடுத்து பேரலலா
draw it in a parallel way. அப்ப இது என்ன பண்ணலாம் first remove this diagram, that is 3 ohm resistor. Remove this 1 ohm resistor, draw it in parallel. Now check whether the circuit is star or delta. இப்போ ஈஸியா இருக்கும்ல. So point C is connected in CC. When I overlap பண்ணிட்டேனா, so I have this will be my end of your circuit. Yeah. So end ல start பண்ணனும். End terminal can be either C or D. So D ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have only 2 resistors connected, whereas C we have 3 resistors connected. So 3 resistors எப்படி connected இருக்கு? ஒரு common point. If we have 3 resistors connected to a common point, na it is a star connection. So இதுதான் it looks like a star fashion. So first reduce the star to delta. Star to delta. So overlap இருந்தாலே just replace it out. Okay va? So first step always convert star to delta or delta to star. Then only we have to go for series or parallel connections. So delta star to delta na here we have 3 resistors connected in 3 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor, common terminal C, CF, again 3 ohm resistor, CF 3 ohm resistor. Convert this star into a delta. Formula another star to delta. If we need to find the value of R12, appada 1 to 3 la veduma. So replace this E as 1, D as 2, F as 3. சரியா? So for R12 between these two, if you are going to find now, R12 will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 divided by R3 other resistor. So substituted R1 value, the resistor connected to first terminal is taken as R1. So R1 value is 3 plus R2. R2 is எல்லாமே சேம் வேல்யூனால பிரச்சனை இல்லை. So the terminal connected to 2, resistor connected to terminal 2 is R2, resistor connected to terminal 3 is taken as R3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 divided by 3. 6 9 ohm resistor. So R12 9 ohm resistor, R23 again 9 ohm resistor. So formula alone will get changed. R2 plus R3 into R2 R3 divided by opposite resistor R1. So again it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 divided by 3. So again it is a 9 ohm resistor R31. Formula R3 plus R1 plus R3 R1 divided by opposite resistor R2. So it is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 divided by 3. So 9 ohm resistor. Okay, wow. So redraw the circuit. Step 2. .05 0.05 terminal E, F, between that 1 ohm resistor. From F to D we have again a 1 ohm resistor. C the அப்படி மாறிடுச்சு ரைட்டா. சரி இப்போ இது எப்படி வரையுது? ஸ்டார் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம்ல டெல்டாவா மாற்றி வரையுங்க. Between E, C star is converted to delta. இந்த மாதிரி டெல்டாவா மாறிடுச்சு கரெக்டா. மாறிட்டு தான் between 1 and 3 ல வந்து இருக்கிற ரெசிஸ்டர் R13, 213 னா R23. Here the resistor value is R12. இப்படி மாறிடுச்சு ரைட்டா. எப்படி போடுவீங்க? Between E and D we have resistor R12. So between E and D connect the resistor R12. R12 ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? 9 ohm. அப்புறம் between D and F we have 2 3 resistor. R23 ஓட வேல்யூ again 9 ohm. Between D and F we have again 9 ohm resistor. Correct? அடுத்து என்னது? Between F and E we have R13 resistor. F and E. So F and E க்கு இங்க already 1 ohm resistor இருக்கு. So between F and E we have again a 9 ohm resistor. புரியுதா என்ன பண்ணது? இந்த சர்க்யூட் நம்மளா தான் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்றோம். 1 2 3 ABC போட்டிங்கனா தான் கன்ஃபியூஷன் இல்லாம உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் போக முடியும். புக்ல டைரக்டா கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. ஸ்டார் வந்து டைரக்டா இந்த மாதிரி டெல்டாவா ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவாங்க. சரியா? நம்பர்ஸ் நீங்களே கொடுத்துருவாங்க. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஐயோ இன்னும் ஒரு மினிட். Overlap resistor. Between E and D we have 1 ohm resistor. Between E and D again we have a 1 ohm resistor. Okay, wow. So இப்போ இது எப்படி இருக்கு? these 9 and 1 are in parallel. Again here 9 and 1 are in parallel. Again here 9 and 1 are in parallel. So we have a parallel circuit. So parallel formula is 2 resistor now AB divided by A plus B. So here 9 into 1 divided by 9 plus 1. Huh? 0. 0.9 ohm resistor. எல்லாத்துக்குமே சேம் தானே. So எல்லாமே parallel. So step 3 terminal A connected to a 0.05 ohm resistor. So here we have one resistor, 0.9 ohm resistor, between B and D again 0.05 ohm resistor, 0.9 ohm resistor, 0.9 ohm resistor. Correct? நீங்க கூட சர்க்யூட் எப்படி வருதுடா? இது ரெண்டு ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு. இந்த ரெண்டு ரெசிஸ்டருக்கு வந்து சிங்கிள் ரெசிஸ்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். இந்த ரெண்டு ரெசிஸ்டருக்கு சிங்கிள், இங்க ரெண்டுக்கும் சிங்கிள். டவுட்டா இருந்ததுன்னா டெர்மினல்ஸ் வச்சுட்டே வாங்க. E D F. ஓகேவா? ஓ F D. Further reduce பண்ணனும்னா
0.9.
So 0.9 and 0.9 are in series. So next step என்னவா இருக்கும்? Terminal A 0.5, then we have 0.9 ohm resistor. So these two are in series. Na value என்னவா? 1.8 இல்ல? 1.8. Again here 0.05. Terminal B, terminal A. So in your next step, again these two resistors are in parallel. So reduce the circuit. Single resistor, then we have one more resistor. 0.05, 0.05 A, B. So these two resistors are in parallel. Value 0.9 into 9 into 1.8 divided by 0.9 plus 1.8. Value 0.6. So here the value is 0.6. Next step will be reduce out.
0.03 series 0.6
Series with both the resistor. Yeah. So your 0.05 6 ohm resistor as well as one more 0.05 ohm resistors are in series. So final terminal A, other end is connected to terminal B. So 0.5 plus 0.6 plus 0.05 value will be 0.1 plus 0.6. So 0.7 now. 0.7 ohm resistor. Correct? So R across AB is 0.7 ohm. Resistance across AB is 0.7 ohm. புரியுதா? So shall I stop with this? இல்லைன்னா ஒன் மோர் ப்ராப்ளம் பண்ணுவோம். நேச்சுரல் ஐ ஹேவ் லாட் ஆஃப் கொஷின்ஸ். ஒன் மோர் ப்ராப்ளம். சரி. erase பண்ணிடுங்க. Third sum, table using source transformation. Using source transformation, find the equivalent resistance. Find the equivalent resistance. Using source transformation, find the equivalent resistance. So what will be your first step? Star should be converted to delta. Which one is looking like a star? All 3 ohm resistor. So one end of your 3 ohm resistor is connected of all the 3 resistors as a common terminal. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? A already கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? We have to assume some nodes இல்லையா? So என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்? C, B, D, So terminal B resistor 3 ohm, again 3 ohm, again 3 ohm resistor. 3 3 3 C E F. Convert this star into delta. So அடுத்தது என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Star to delta formula use பண்ணலாம். So star to delta. Again same number. R12 should be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 divided by R3. So first we need to know the value of resistor R1, R2, R3. That's give number for each node. So this 1, 2, 3. So the resistor value R1, R2, this one R3. So value is 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 divided by 3. Again it is a 9 ohm resistor. So R12 now whenever it is here we have included a new resistor R12, value is 3 ohm. Correct? So next R23. Again formula R2 plus R3 plus R23 divided by R1. So again 9 ohm resistor. So the resistor value is 2 and 3. So between terminal 2 and 3 connect the resistor. The pencil color pen use பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 9 ohm resistor R23. Correct? So next R31. So 31 is formula is R3 plus R1 plus R3R1 divided by R2. So again you will be getting a 9 ohm resistor. So between 3 and 1 again you will be having a 9 ohm resistor R23. Correct? So your star is converted into a delta. Now convert your circuit diagram. Redraw your circuit diagram. That is step 2. Resistance A, B terminal. Between A and B, you will not be having any resistor. Between D and E, we have a 9 ohm resistor. Between D and E, 9 ohm resistor. Between E and F, we have 9 ohm resistor. Between F and D, we have 4.5 ohm resistor. இப்போ நம்ம கன்வர்ட் பண்ண இந்த ஸ்டாரை டெல்டாவா மாத்திடுங்க. So டெல்டாவா மாத்தின ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன? Between D and E, we have R12. Between D and E, R12. R12 resistor value 9 ohm. Okay, va. அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Between E and F, we have included a R23 resistor, again 9 ohm resistor. எங்க கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு? E and F. So between E and F, again you will be having a resistor between E and F, R23. In the resistor R12. Okay, wow. அடுத்தது between F and D, F and D, we have resistor R23. F இங்க இருக்கு, இங்க இருக்கு. D இங்க இருக்கு, இங்க இருக்கு. Already we have one resistor, so draw one more resistor. So between D terminal and F terminal are 2, 3, 9 ohm resistor. Correct? Paper circuit therapy. Again, we have these two are in parallel. These two resistors are in parallel. Again, these two resistors are in parallel. Redraw பண்ணுங்க. Step 3. Between D and E and F, D and F. Correct? Now answer. Already we have A, B, between D and E ஒரு parallel resistor. இது ரெண்டு reduce ஆச்சுனா single resistor மாறிடும். Between E and F we have two resistor, so it will be converted to single resistor. Between F and D we have two resistor, F and D we have two resistor, ஒரு resistor மாறிடும். value இது வந்து for this it is 9 ohm into 9 ohm, 4.5 ohm resistor. Parallel AB divided by A plus B. So 9 ohm into 9 ohm divided by 9 plus 9 is 4.5 papa. 4.5. Here we have both the resistors are 9 ohm. So 4.5 ohm resistor. Again here both resistors are in parallel with same value 4.5. இங்க என்ன ஆகுது? Resistor is changed. So value என்ன வரும்? 9 into 4.5 divided by 9 plus 4.5. Value 3 ohm resistor. So for this combination it is a 3 ohm resistor. So here it is a 3 ohm resistor, 4.5 ohm resistor, again 4.5 ohm resistor. So what will be your next step? Step 4. 4.5 and 4.5 are in series. So A, B, between A and B we have 3 ohm resistor. So these two resistors are in series. So 9 ohm resistor. Now circuit now these two circuits are in parallel. So 3 into 9 divided by 3 plus 9. Value? Well done. Huh? 2.25, correct. 2.25. So between your last step, step 5, between A terminal and B terminal we have a resistor 2.25 ohm resistor. So R equivalent between AB is 2.25 unit is ohm.